on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at the Dad Life. As always, guys, I hope everyone is having a blessed day and I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. In today's video, we have an unboxing straight from Adidas. If you guys did not know, on Saturday, December 21st, Adidas, Yeezy, and Kanye gave it to us, bless everybody, well, most of us, with a restock with Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the zebra colorway. I don't normally do a lot of unboxings, but if you guys enjoy boxings, make sure you guys smash that like button for me if you can. Shouts to everyone who was actually on my stream on that day. We actually was on stream for like 2 hours, I believe, on Yeezy Supply. Seems like on Yeezy Supply a lot of people got an L because I got an L as well. But it seems like everyone, like literally everyone that I know, got a W on the Adidas app. If you guys don't know how the Adidas app works, they normally put up the raffle for people to enter like a week prior or a week before the release, which is really cool because the way it works is that you just enter your size and then your like card number and whatnot, and if you win, it will just automatically take the money out of your bank account and you just get the shoe. So that day, when I end up getting an L on Yeezy Supply, I end up falling asleep after the stream. And then I woke up about 9 a.m. in the morning, and then I looked at my notifications on my phone. It said, a shoe is on your way or something in that lines. But it seemed like a lot of people hit on Adidas app. So if you guys are one of those people that hit on Adidas app, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section if you got that dub. This was not my personal pair. This was actually, I was actually helping my sister get her own personal pair. She ended up taking an L on the app, but I ended up taking a dub for her. So shout out to my sister. And the fact that this is a size 4, guys, a size 4, you guys already know the kid sizes is like a rare size to get a dub on. I've never hit on Adidas or Yeezy Supply for a smaller size like this. So as you guys can see, size 4, like sizes 4 like to 7 is like money size. These go for a lot of money, guys. If you guys did not know, if you're a reseller out there, if you want to become a reseller for Yeezys, make sure you be copping sizes 4 to 7 because these are the money sizes. I'm not saying the bigger sizes are not, but like kid sizes, I don't know why, it's just harder to get, I guess, and they always have some resale value, good resale value on kid sizes. So my sister is a size 4 and she is super stoked about getting these, man. The zebras, I think this is a lot of people's favorite colorway, and I told you guys this was not going to be easy to get in my opinion, but it seems like a lot of people hit on an Adidas app, so I guess it's a dub for a lot of people that actually wanted the shoe. You cannot go wrong with this, and it's crazy. And I've been mentioning that the fact that they've restocked multiple times on the zebras, they still have really good resale values versus most Yeezys that released in the past. So guys, do not sleep on the zebras, guys. This was definitely a must cop for a lot of people, and a lot of resellers out there are definitely gonna be copying now because I think resale price will definitely go up next year if they do not restock this again, guys. I honestly see these in the future going up to like $600. I mean, you guys are probably gonna tell me I'm crazy, but I honestly see these zebras like going up to 600 bucks if they stop making the 350s, which is doubtful. I think they'll still keep making 350 V2s, but for this specific colorway, I honestly think it'll go up in value near the future. So like I said, guys, that's pretty much it for me. I know this is like a quick unboxing for you guys, but I kind of wanted to get this out the way. I actually got this in the mail today, so I kind of want to put this content out for you guys. So make sure you guys smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, guys. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We're almost there, so please share it to a friend, share it on your Instagram. Make sure you guys tag me, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys end up taking a W on the Yeezy 350 V2 in the zebra colorway. As always, guys, stay blessed. More content on the way. So like I said, guys, this is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.